welcome back to our channel. We are going to be making some barbecue for dinner. So yummy. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification button, which is the bell, so you will not miss out on a single video, and you might even be the first one to watch it, okay? Now subscribe. Keep watching, or else.
Alright guys, today is just simple dinner recipe. We're making some barbecue. So the first thing I do after washing my meat, I make sure I dry them. Yes, you don't want the meat to be too wet, because when it's too wet, it's gonna be a little bit difficult for the seasoning to stick to the meat. So I try to dry my cow meat. I'm using cow meat. Yes, so we can also use pork, like the pork ribs. It depends on what you choose to use. Okay, so once the meat is properly dried, once it's properly dried the way I want it to be, then the next step is for me to start seasoning it. So I'll go ahead and throw away my used paper towel. So here I'll first of all go in with salt. Yes, we're keeping this as simple as possible. When you're making barbecue meat, you don't need a lot of seasoning. Yeah, too much seasoning can even make the meat taste bad. Yeah, so I'm keeping this one as simple as possible. Put enough generous amount of salt, but do not over salt your meat. Okay, so I'm adding some crushed pepper. You can use any crushed pepper of your choice, like Scotch bonnet pepper, but I'm using Cameroon pepper, crushed Cameroon pepper here, and I have this Cajun style barbecue seasoning. You can use any barbecue seasoning of your choice. So at this point, I have my gloves on. You need some gloves. You don't want to put your hands in that hot spice like the pepper. Yes, I'll go ahead and massage this as much as I can to make sure that I squeeze in those seasoning right in there. If you guys remember, I just used 3 seasoning: the salt, the Cajun seasoning, and the pepper. That's it. That's just as simple as it is. If you have enough time, you can put this in your refrigerator for like 20-30 minutes, but if you don't have that time, that's fine. Let's go ahead and barbecue everything. Here we are. So, and I have some corn that I'm going with this stuff. Yeah, you can use whatever you have. If you have some plantain, you can grill your plantain, or your yam, your potatoes, whatever carbohydrate that you want to go with this, you are free to do so. Okay, so for today I just want to keep it as simple as possible, going with just the corn. Yeah, that's just what I want for today. So guys, keep watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, do not fail to do that. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. Give it a thumbs up. So guys, this is outdoor dinner and my kids are being a little bit noisy, so guys, just ignore all the background noise.
If you know you're not gonna be quiet outside, go inside.
The corn looks so good. This is totally worth it, right?
Alright guys, it's almost done. It's time for us to go ahead and give this a cut. You know, cut it up to see what it's looking like inside right now.
It looks yummy.
Did you guys see that? How juicy the meat is? So chocolate, so juicy, and this must taste so good. I can't wait to give it a try.
You ate the first one.
Oh my god, so delicious. Right. I need to get the rest of them out.
Okay. This is the rest. Since that one was done, maybe all of them are done. Right?
I think so.
I can't wait to eat it. Yep, it's done. Mmm, it's so
So
good.
juicy. Okay, time to serve dinner.
We got 2 corn. Corn is the best.
I can't stop. These kids are so noisy.
I know.
I can't stop eating this. So yummy. And I'm gonna make some pepper sauce.
We're also gonna have salad.
Wow, I'm not eating any salad. I just wanna have this delicious barbecue meat with some hot
Give me
sauce.
one. Give me one. Give me one.
Okay. Yeah. How yummy is that?
Thank you guys for watching this video, and be sure to like and subscribe, and thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. So good. Let's go have our dinner.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for your support, for watching. If this is your first time on this channel, you're so welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for your support. I do appreciate you all. Please give this video a thumbs up. I do appreciate that. Okay, so here I want to show you guys my garden. So here is my nursery for my plants. So I'm just gonna prepping the plants for, you know, transplanting. So by next week I should be doing my transplanting to the soil. So this is what it looks like right now. Bringing it a little bit closer so you guys can see what it looks. So once I'm done transplanting these plants to the soil, I will also show you guys the updates. So keep watching, subscribe to my channel. So alright guys, this is it. This is my hot sauce that I just made that I will be eating with this barbecue meat. Yes, I cannot eat my barbecue meat without having some kind of hot sauce in it, tomato hot sauce. So maybe sometimes whenever I'm ready, I will make this recipe, show you guys how I made this recipe, and I will post it here on this channel. That's why you need to subscribe to my channel so you get updated or notified whenever I upload any recipe. See you guys. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.